this experiment is related to determine frequency of unknown signal by drawing Lagrange's figures, patterns, as you can say. So, in this experiment, we will use the two function generators and one CRO. So in function generator we have a different options. So we are using basically a few portion of this function generator, right? That is basically green in color, means one is function generate. This is function number one, right? Waveform selection you can have from there. Like I have used the sinusoidal. Similarly, you can have a if you want to change the frequency, or for then number two can be, we have to choose, right? This one range of frequency can be like it is 1 to 10, 100, 1K, 10K, so on. In this way we can pick the range of frequency. Then the frequency adjustment can be done from this 4. And similarly, if you find adjustment of frequency required, then we can use the 6. In this way, there are different applications of applications are available in this function generator, and we are not using all only green portion we are using. Similarly, in this case also, from 12 output of the signal can be taken. Other options are also available, right? Similarly, basically two generators we are using and one oscilloscope. So oscilloscope have also different applications, different provisions are available, but we are using this one. Number one means this one, that is power on off, that we have to power on always, because to take the measurements power on should be there. Number two is intensity adjustment. So from here you want the intensity of the signal, you want to change that can be done. Similarly, number three is focus. If you want to change the focus, this one, the focus can be changed of this from here, focus of the signal. Similarly, channel 1 and channel 2, channel 1 is available here, that is channel 1. From here the signal is given to the CRO. Similarly, channel 2 is there, this is X plate, this is Y plate. So channel 2, this one. From here the signal can be given. Similarly, if you want the up down signal, up down of the signal, means vertical movement you want, then that you can have from here. Similarly, other adjustments are also there, but we are not using in this oscilloscope. Further, now number 19, that is related to time division. So from here also signal can be adjusted, right? Similarly, 24 is so horizontal movement, 24, this one. So you can see the signal, you can see the movement of signal from here. So in this way, many options are available in the oscilloscope. We are using only few. Further, this is the basically the experimental setup, you can say. This you can see, this is the channel 1 and channel 2. These are the options where the signal is fed. Similarly, this is function generator, where from where we are getting a signal. Two function generators are there from where the signal can be taken. Similarly, you can see here the most important setting, and this should be at XY, because two signals we are taking together. So XY you have to pick. Similarly, you, this is power on, then this is basically a signal from the two function generators, channel 1 and channel 2. You have to fed the signals here, right? Similarly, this is the shape, this is the figure of the function generator. This is the output from the function generator. Similarly, first of all, what we have to do is take out the wire from channel 2 because of the oscilloscope, and the channel 1 length of the signal is selected, right? It can be this one, right? Similarly, length of this length can be say 4 centimeter or maybe 3 centimeter. It is up to you, so that you can select. Numbers are given by using these numbers here on this oscilloscope or function generator. These numbers can be used to adjust the line. Similarly, we will take out the wire from channel 1 and put the wire in 2, right? So these type of lines we will see on the oscilloscope. Again, length of the line, this line and this line should be same, right? That line, if you want to change the length of the line, or you want to change the intensity, if you want to change the focus, then with the help of this oscilloscope you can do that. Further now the signal is given to channel 1 and channel 2. Frequencies you can see this is almost same. Almost same means ratio is 1 to 1. Ratio of two signals is 1 to 1. So it is basically circle you will see. Now you can see this video. You can see here now this is almost circle, right? It is not fixed because some change the frequency, they are not exactly same. Further, similarly, if you want a different type of pattern, you can have that also. Means you have basically what happens that this frequency ratio and this frequency. So ratio between these two you can adjust. Here it is almost double. Double means 1:2 or 2:1, right? So it will be this type of pattern will be there. Means 8. So you can see the video. So you can trace on the graph paper also. Similarly, now these type of Legendre figures you can have depending upon the ratio of the frequency from the two function generators. Means if the ratio is 1 to 1, that we have seen, that circle is there, 2:1, that two lobes are there, right? So direction depend upon the frequency selection. Here it is 2:1, here it is 1:2. So two lobes are there. So now if the frequency ratio is 1:3, then 3 lobes are there. So in this way, different type of patterns can be adjusted, and from Legendre figures, different type of informations about the signals we can, right? If frequencies you can also measure with the help of this one. Thank you.